Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to divide algebraic fractions by simplifying common factors. So let's have a go at this. We've got 8a squared b on 2a and you're asked to simplify this. Well, let's do this together. So 8 divided by 2 is just 4, so we could just write this as 4. Then we've got a squared divided by a. So remember, a squared is just a times a, and we're divided by a. So one of these a's squareds will cancel with this a. So you're just left with 4a, and we haven't done anything to the b, so you still have your b. So you should just have 4ab. Let's do another really similar one that we'll go through this one a bit faster. So suppose I give you 9ab squared on 3b. So pause the video, have a quick go at this. Hopefully you're able to do this. You can use the same method that we've just done before. And post your answers in the answer box. And then we'll check if you got this. So welcome back. Let's do this. So we're going to do 9 divided by 3, which is 3. The a's haven't gone anywhere because we can't cancel them. And then we've got b squared divided by b. So you should just be left with 3ab. Perfect. Give yourself a big fat tick if you got that correct. And even not, as long as you followed that through, you're still learning, you're still making improvement, and that's what we're here for. Okay, let's go a bit harder. So now suppose I want you to factorize 3 minus 9x cubed divided by 3. So what we need to do first is factorize the numerator. And is there anything common to both 3 and neg 9x? There is. We could take out 3 as a factor. So if I remove 3 as a factor, you're going to divide all of that by 3. So that would be a 1 and that would be a 3, right? So you would have 1 minus 3x, and we still have this 3 on the bottom. And now hopefully you could see, you could cancel those 3 outs. So we couldn't cancel initially, we couldn't cancel over here because you could only cancel when it's a times. And that's why we have to factor out the 3, and then it's 3 times this value, so we could cancel it out. So then my final answer would be 1 take 3x. Okay, I'm going to give you one more very similar that I want you to try. So let's give this a go. Say I've got 5 take 10x all on 5. And I want you to simplify this. So do you want to have a bit of a go and then type in your answer? So what you should do first is factorize the numerator, and 5 and minus 10x, 5 is a factor, and we would be left with 1 take 2x. On the denominator, you still have that 5, and those two cancel, so you're just left with 1 minus 2x. Nice. Cool, so that's all we got for today. Well done. Hopefully that made sense. In the next lesson, we'll do a few more challenging ones. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. See you next time. Bye-bye.